Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the video of the guy who lost $1 million overnight. Okay, but anyway, you're welcome back to XDN Tech Space, and I'm still your host, Anne. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification icon so you'll be notified anytime we post a video. Okay, so this is what he said on Twitter. I was checking my Binance account. 180k amount automatically showed up. I don't know how it came back, but I'm thankful to God that I have something to start again. And people were giving him all sorts of ideas, like everybody was advising him. At least let's listen to some of the comments that people were giving him. And someone said, take break for a while. If not, you will revenge trade and you could actually lose the 180k. That was someone's comment, and I mean it means something, because right now you just got ripped of $1 million, okay, sorry, and then you were able to get 180k back. You just have to take a break, and then get some relax, and then get new ideas. Others were telling him to do the crypto again and get $2 million back, because $1 million lost is not something easy to just leave aside. Now someone said, bro, you are so lucky. In May 19, some years, I think that person too was also talking about what he has experienced in crypto. Okay, and I think some people don't still believe in the story. Someone said, how did you magically get 200k back? He didn't say 200k, he said 180k. And then he said, what is real in the story here? Okay, so some people don't believe it, but it's possible. It's possible. But let's thank God he was able to recover 180k, which is it's okay for a good start. And someone said, cash out 80k into your bank account, go travel for a bit, go to Thailand. I think he was giving him ideas like he should just relax, chill, and then before he starts all over again. He said, just live cheap and enjoy life. Keep 100k and continue building. That's a very good idea. I think so. That's a very good idea. And then there were a lot of comments, and then people were saying a lot. There's this comment that someone said, this 180k must be your rug money. That was all he said. Rug money. That must be your rug money. 180k ain't magically showing up in nobody's account, bro. I think the guy who said how can 200k show in your account just like that, someone is telling him. People who know more are letting him know. I think that person might not even know much about cryptocurrency. He said 180k ain't magically showing up in nobody's account, bro. I gave you credit for the marketing, for the marketing though. Yeah, he said he gives him credit for the marketing. I think why are there now $1 million. Apparently Binance doesn't liquidate you 100%, as the liquidation ratio is set as 83%. Yeah, so that's how he had 180k back. The Binance doesn't liquidate you 100%. I think they liquidate you at 83% and you get 17% back. Anyway, we thank God for him. Guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.